Welcome back. I'm just going to do a very quick video to show you an easy way to not have to chop your spinach, cook them very easily for whatever uses you have. I've got here some rinsed spinach. It's going into a pan. It doesn't matter the size of your spinach leaves, and it doesn't matter how you want to use it later. So this is really a quick way to do it. You just, I've not done any more than just put it through running water, put it straight in. Doesn't matter how much water's on those leaves. Add the heat. And there will be enough water to cook it, clinging to the leaves. That's all we use. I'm just going to agitate it and turn it over. And you can see it starting to steam, and it's that steam that's cooking them. And I'm turning them over, and you can see there's a little bit of wilted leaf there, and it's starting to not be as tall in the pan. Now that took about 2.5 minutes. But if it had been much tougher leafed or large leafed, then it might take as much as 4 or 5. But it won't take very long. And you can see all the water that's in it. And I'm just going to tip it out down the sink, just strain it into that. So you can see it's a lot smaller than when it was cut. Now, you just need to take a saucer. And if you squash it and use your saucer to just chop it, and it really does work, and it's a lot quicker than slicing it or cutting it afterwards. I've seen people use scissors. Now pull it together and squeeze it down to as drained as you want. Some recipes want it very drained, and the one I'm using now does. So I'm going to pull it several times over to just keep my leaf. Everyone will have a little saucer. And there you are. That's very dry and ready to be used. Enjoy.